let's learn how we can find TikTok promo code. So for this, the fastest method would be on your PC if you have Windows system. So what you need now is your Microsoft Edge browser. Everyone has it, probably. And we will use the option on Microsoft Edge browser, and that's this shopping or coupons option. So what you need to do is to go to your TikTok shop, and here you want to click on three dots, so settings and more, and find shopping or coupons option. That's what it should be called. Now you'll get this Microsoft Shopping. Don't click for you, but click on Insights. And if you see here no offers yet, that means there is no coupon available for now. You should check this every day and see if some coupon will be available. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.